Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to create these beautiful puff flowers. So if you want to learn how, just keep on watching. So today we are going to do something that's very spring inspired, and that is making these little puff flowers. They are so cute, only take a couple minutes, and you can use them as an embellishment for your hair, or you can sew them all together and create a blanket or some other fun project. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need two different colored yarns, one for the center here and then one for the petals. So go ahead and get that along with your H hook, and then I will see you right back here. So you want to take your yarn that you're going to use for the center, and you're going to create an adjustable knot. Okay, and then you are going to chain 4. Okay, then you are going to take and put a slip stitch in that first chain that you made. And now we have a ring. Okay, so now you're going to chain 1, and then we are going to put 12 single crochets into this ring. Now I would suggest working over this yarn so that you won't have to sew it in later. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1. And then if you seem like you ran out of space, you can actually pull those stitches to give you a little bit more space. Okay, so when you are done with your 12, you just want to go ahead and count to make sure that you do have the 12. 11, 12. Okay, so then you want to take and slip stitch to the first single crochet that you made, and that's not to the chain 1, but to the first single crochet. So now you're going to take and cut this yarn, and you're actually going to switch yarns here. So go ahead and grab your petal color. I'm using this really pretty purple color. We're going to make another adjustable knot. And we are going to insert this into that first single crochet. And I'm just going to do a slip stitch just to lock that yarn in there. Okay, so now to start the petals, you're going to start by chaining 3. Okay, now this is where it gets a little tricky. Okay, so you're going to yarn over, insert your loop into that same first stitch, pull up the loop. We're not going to do anything else with that. We're not going to finish that off. We're just going to do it again. So yarn over, insert into that same stitch, and pull up. And when you pull up, you want to pull up to the same height as that double crochet there. Okay, so now we're going to yarn over, and we're going to this time go into that next stitch. Oops. Till you lose everything. Okay, so yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, okay, and one more time. So basically you're doing 3 in each stitch, so the chain 3 rather in the first one, goes as the 6th stitch. So then you're going to yarn over and pull through all of the loops on your hook, and then chain 2. Excuse me. Now you are going to single crochet into that next chain, and we are going to start the process again. So chain 3, insert the hook, pull up a loop, that's 2 and 3, into the next stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through all of the loops, chain 2, and then single crochet into the next stitch. And what I do when I single crochet into the next stitch is I actually take my finger and I push this out so that it's puffy. That helps with the whole puff stitch idea. So again, chain 3, yarn over, insert into that same stitch, pull up a loop, one more time for this stitch, okay, yarn over into the next stitch this time. You want to do that a total of 3 times in that second stitch. Yarn over, pull through all of the loops, there we go, chain 2, and then slip stitch into that next one. There we go. Okay, so you are actually halfway done with the flower. So each flower has 6 petals. So let's keep on going. Okay, and then I am actually going to skip that chain right there where we combined or went into the next one, and I'm just going to go through there clearly. Okay, going to slip stitch into the stitch where that first flower is, flower petal rather. Okay, so now if you are going to combine it to something else, then this is a part where you want to leave a long tail so that you have something to use to connect it. And then the only thing that you'll want to do is just sew in these 2 ends. If you didn't clip your middle end, then you can go ahead and do that. So like I mentioned, there's a lot of different things that you can do with these. If you have more than one, you can actually sew them together, create a blanket, create a project, whatever you want to do. But they're super cute, and they only take about 10 minutes to make, which is awesome. So you can make a lot of these in a short period of time. So that wraps it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to see all of my new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!